So the image that you see right here has a certain level of saturation. And let's say what you want to do is you want to apply the saturated film effect from the guided mode. Then you can go around onto the guided mode right here. And once you go around over here, then you can see saturated film effect is an option. You can go around over here onto saturated film effect over here. And all you need to do right now is click on add saturated film effect. So once you do that, what happens is that you can see that the effect has been added in and it is more saturated, and that's it. So you can go around right here and apply it according to how you like it. And then this is what you have. You can see the before and after right here, and the image is much more saturated. So if I were to go around on to, let's say, for example, photo bin, then I can go around and save this over here as well. There's another image that I've been working with. So over here, you can see that saturated film effect is opened up. So if I were to go around and click, then what happens is that a bit of saturation is added onto this image as well. So that is how you can go around and use the guided saturated film effect inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.